Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see Get API with Param values. So let's start the video. Yes, so as you can see, this is the API which we have created in the last video. And here, today in this video, we are going to see how we can use the param values. Param value is nothing but if suppose I want to see only the details of this ID2. Okay, so I should be able to give a ID over here. Okay, let's say /1 or /2. And right now it's not showing anything, but in this condition, it should show the details of the second user. Okay, which is Jane Smith. So this is the thing which we are going to do today in this video. So let me go back, and here you see we're going to create a API here, which is get API app.get, and then we'll have /API/get users /:id. Okay, because we are going to give an ID over here. Okay, and then we'll have request comma response. And over here, what we can do is, firstly, let's have try and catch block here, and we'll say error in get user by ID. Okay, and comma error. Right. And then what we can do is we have to get this ID first. Okay, how do we get the ID? So in order to get that, we can destructure the request.params. Okay, request.params, and inside this we should be having a ID. Let's try to log it. Okay, ID comma ID, and for now we'll say rest.send. Yes. Okay, that's it. We'll test it once if it is working or not. So let's go back, let's say 1, enter, and it's saying yes. Let's go back, and here you see we are getting 1 as ID. Okay, so let me try something else. Okay, 55252, enter, and still it's saying yes, and you see we are getting the ID over here. Okay, so it means we are able to get the ID from the param values. Okay, and now using this ID we have to get the particular user data. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, so here I'll say let user data equal to users.filter. Okay, I'm just going to use filters, and here item and item dot underscore id triple equal to id. Okay, and this is what we are going to use. And you see, whenever you get the item from the param or request, it will be a string value, so you need to convert into the int. Let's do this parse int id, and whatever we'll get, that's the user data for us. Okay, and but we have to check one thing here. Okay, user data, if user data dot length triple equal to 0. If it is 0, then we have to say rest dot json status false. Okay, that's it. And if not, what we're going to do is we're going to send the data back, status true comma data colon user data. Okay, and it will be a array of object, because we are doing filter, so it will return an array. What we can do is of 0 we can just do, and it will return only first item. Okay, and the same way let's do here rest dot json status false. Okay, right. Now let's go back and let's do one first, and you see we are getting the details of John Doe. Okay, let's do suppose 5, and you see we are getting the different details. Suppose let's enter it ID which is not present. Okay, 4 5, and you see we are getting status as false. And you see whenever we get any error, or if the data is not present, we are returning the status as false only. We should not let user know that this user is not present. Okay, that's the reason. And with this we conclude our get API with param value.